भवास्वादं सर्वरोगनिवारकं वन्दे पापविनाशक्तं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतम् आनन्दानुभवास्वादं सर्वरोगनिवारकं वन्दे पापविनाशक्तं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतम्।
I welcome you all with my love and respects. In Kathopanishad, the Nachiketa's authenticity, the strength of Nachiketa, Ajiryatam amrutanam upetya jiryan martyakvatasvata prajanan abidyayan varanaradi pramodan adidirge jivite korametaha. What man dwelling on the decaying mortal plane, having approached the undecaying immortal one, and having reflected upon the nature of enjoyment through beauty and the sense pleasure, would delight in long life? How would you delight in long life? When you feel this word as a completion in you, as a tattva living through you, as a satya expressing itself through you, dancing in your Anandagandha. When a satya thunderstrucks you, it dances in your Anandagandha. Understand? When you understand a truth, it is tattva. When you understand the truth, it is satya. When a satya dances in your heart, it is understanding of the truth. When this tattva understands in your heart, Anandagandha, how can this happen? More and more completion. When you complete with your different patterns, incompletion is karma. Prayaschitta is restoring completion. Apurnatva is karma. Restoring completion is Purnatva. Prayaschitta for Apurnatva is Purnatva. When you restore completion again and again and again, this tattvas become Satya. Understanding becomes understanding, and understanding becomes understanding. So when a tattva becomes Satya, reality, it feels so nice. Means it is directly becoming useful in your life. It is becoming reality in your life. If I tell you this Satya, this four, everybody's life can be enriched by it. Even if you are just a air hostess, when you go to serve a person, go with the feeling, clearance of enriching, taking responsibility for others in authenticity. Even if you are selling shirts, go with the feeling. He may give you 100 rupees for the shirt, but that 100 rupees he cannot wear. Only shirt he can wear. You are doing enrichment of that, making that 100 rupee into cotton, cotton to thread, thread to dyeing, dyeing to cloth, cloth to stitching, stitching to the final product. So you are enriching even if you take 100 rupee for a shirt. Go with the feeling. You are enriching. These four are the Sarvabhaumya Vrataha. Next sutra. Today very important because Mahakala today starts teaching Atma Vidya to Nachiketa. Today the Atma Vidya starts. Yasminnitam vichikitsanti mrutyo yatsambaryaye mahadi bruhinastat yoyam varo kuda manupravishtananyam tasman nachiketo vrinite. O death, that regarding which there is doubt of the great hereafter, tell us, Nachiketas, ask for no other boon than that which penetrates this hidden secret. He's very clear what he wants. He just wants understanding. Nothing else. When Nachiketa has made it very clear, now Yama flowers. Understand, it is your authenticity gets the best out of your Guru. Here, Nachiketa took the responsibility for Yama's inauthenticity. He put his foot down authentically. He gets the best out of Yama. He gets the best out of Yama. Yama did not trust Nachiketa because Nachiketa was a human being. You know what happens when you trust human beings. But Nachiketa proved his authenticity, got the best out of Yama. The best of Yama.
Inner awakening. Stunning health recoveries. 100% cure for depression, insomnia, asthma, fatigue, chronic pain, insecurity, panic attacks, and other major disorders. Awaken the Kundalini Shakti, the dormant energy within. What would you do if you had 1300% more energy? Disease-free mind and body is your first wealth. Claim it at Inner Awakening. Inner Awakening, a 21-day meditation retreat with rare living incarnation, Paramahamsa Nityananda, May 8th to May 28th, 2013, Nityananda Dhyanapita, Nityananda Nagar, Bidadi, Bengaluru, Karnataka. Contact 097422 Email ia@nityananda.org.
Nityanandam. My name is Balamurugan. I am from Singapore. I am working as a senior manager in IT company. About Inner Awakening, it's a extraordinary, amazing program. It's gifted by living incarnation, Paramahamsa Nityananda. It is a complete transformation of inner world and outer world. The program has touched all parts of dimensions of inner world and outer world. I personally experience a lot of transformation in me. I can feel I took a new Janma after attending this program. It is a really, really great transformation happened in me. It is a great experiences went through part of program. I recommend this program to all to attend, to whoever want to see the transformation in their life. Come and experience the transformation. Thank you.
Nachiketa proved his authenticity, got the best out of Yama. The best of Yama is opening up. Second section, chapter 2, first verse. Anyat Shreya, Anyat Udayeva Preya, Te Upenanarte Purusham, Sinitaha, Tayo Shreya, Adattanasya sadhu bhavati hiyate artam yavupreyo vrinite. Yama said, the good is one thing and the pleasant another. These two having different ends bind a man. It is well with him who chooses the good. He who chooses the pleasant misses the true end. Now, Yama breaks the first part. People ask me again and again, after all, happiness matters, na? No. Authenticity matters, not happiness. Yama breaks the first part. When you choose authenticity, you achieve happiness, which is totally different. You can call that as the oozing of bliss starts happening. even goodness binds you to more and more good till you become best, highest. Pleasant binds you, leads you to different. Both brings certain bondage. Pleasant is going to make you more and more bound. Good is going to liberate you more and more. It is well with him who chooses the good. If you choose the good, means authenticity. He who chooses the pleasant misses the true end, means the right goal is lost. He misses the true end. He misses the right goal of life. Choosing pleasant is not wrong, but not right. Not wrong, but left. Not right, but left. Neither right nor wrong, just left. Man who chooses the pleasant is neither wrong nor right, just left. What a clear-cut instruction. Authentic instruction. He says, choose authenticity. Choose authenticity. Choose authenticity. Choose authenticity. Remember, always choose authenticity even if it does not look pleasant. How many of us go on choosing pleasant, leaving which is authentic? See how many of you choose pleasant instead of authentic. Learn the lesson from Yama. Only then you can go inside. Completion, Swapurnatva, is not pleasant. You have to see all that relieve, but authentic, but good for you. Medicine is not pleasant, but good for you. Sugar is pleasant, but not good for you. Pizza is pleasant, but not good for you. He who chooses the pleasant misses the true end, means misses the goal of life. The Yama utters, Mahakala utters, choose authenticity, not the pleasant. Till now he was tempting Nachiketa with pleasant, trying to move him out of authenticity. I don't want to justify his action saying that he tested. He himself also did not want to teach. Only when he saw the student is too authentic, he had a mood swing and fell in love with Nachiketa. I can at the most say it was a mood swing, but I can't give the benefit of doubt that he was testing. No. The words Yama uttered does not show he is testing. The testing of the disciples will be totally different. Till this moment, what he was trying to do, now he himself says, literally, you have done well by not choosing inauthentic pleasance. See, sometime pleasure and authenticity will come together. That is byproduct of authenticity. That's okay. But you always choose authenticity. Nothing else. Nothing else. Nothing else. Let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate, share and explode in eternal bliss. Nityananda.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bangalore 562109. Contact 097422033311. www.nityananda.org. www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.